In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this super feminine and cute necklace that I really love, and honestly, I wear it a lot since I made it. As usual, the hardest part for me was picking the fabric. This project was no exception, but I think I actually made some pretty good choices in the end. I already knew I wanted to play around with heart shapes, but I also threw in a few rectangles for variety. Once I had the pieces cut out, I did a round of blanket stitch around each one to keep the fabric from fraying. It can take a while, but it's totally worth it for that extra durability. Then the fun part started. I added some painting, decorative stitching, and a few beads. For color, I used Posca pens and some special textile paint, but honestly, you can use whatever you have at home. It doesn't need to be water resistant or anything. After all the creative stuff was done, I sewed the pieces together using the same blanket stitch. I left about 1.5 centimeters open on each one so I could stuff them with a bit of pillow filling. To finish it off, I added beads all over and used the same kind to create the chain. And that's it. What do you think? Would you wear something like this? If not, what would you change? And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these little creations.